Here we have a Range Rover Vogue in Santorini Black. You have 10 split spoke alloy wheels, privacy glass and a powered tailgate, along with keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, you have aluminium tread plates with an ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof which can be controlled using these buttons here. A cooler compartment which is perfect if you're going on a long journey and need to keep drinks cold. A rear view camera for parking or reversing makes it a lot easier. Sat nav and other functions which can be controlled using the buttons on the wheel. You also have cruise control and a speed limiter which is perfect for driving along motorways, along with a heated steering wheel and heated front and rear seats, which is great as we enter winter. These seats are also memory, which is ideal if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. This car only has 8,436 miles on the clock. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the Range Rover Vogue. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.